G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Prado 120 Adventures. Got a lovely bit of WA sunset casting on my face as we are into lockdown. Good old WA's gone into lockdown now because of one lovely gentleman, so it gives us more time to work on the car. Nice short episode this one. We're going to be changing over a commonly replaced item on these cars, especially if you've done a number of Ks in them, is the fuel transfer pipe. So it goes between your main tank and sub tank. Over time, there's a rubber hose. Over time they get brittle and they crack. Usually people end up losing a fair amount of diesel or petrol if it happens. So got a brand new one here. This is a genuine item. I'll throw the genuine part number up on the screen for you to have a look at, but really easy. Hose clamp at each end. Up under there, I'm going to give you another view and you can see what we're going to be doing today. Just as a point of reference to see where you're actually working, this is the passenger side wheel arch. I've taken the spring out and the bump stop just to give myself more access for filming, but to do this job you definitely don't have to remove them, but for filming purposes yes, because there's not much room otherwise. So that hose you see in the center of the screen, big black one, that's your fuel transfer hose. That's the one we're going to be changing. There's a hose clamp on the left and right hand sides of it. Undo that, slip the old one off, put the new one in, bum, done. Only thing I'll say is make sure that your rear tank is pretty much empty. So for example, at the moment I'm down to about 45 litres left of diesel, so I've got the green 90 litre tank light on, and then my second tank's about halfway, so that means my main tank here is about half full and this one should pretty much be empty, so it means that we're not going to lose any fuel when I take this off. Well, fingers crossed I don't. If your tanks are full, I definitely recommend waiting until they're empty. So we're going to get this old one off first. Tackle the hose clamps first. They've got either a Phillips head receiver or a 10mm socket head. I'm going to go with the 10mm because it should work better. Feel the sunny days caress our skin. Again, make sure that nothing kind of falls in. So at the moment, all of like the dust and dirt and everything that's usually on here is all wiped off, because obviously once you remove this, it's a direct line into your fuel tank, and I don't particularly want to fill it up with dirt. So I'm going to gently take this one off, and hopefully it comes off nice and easy. And there we go, that's the old one off. No cracks or anything in it. Just a bit of preventative maintenance on my half. So I'll put this back on the way I found it. So I took the top end on first, slides on, and then the bottom bit as well. And that's that pipe replaced. Then I just do up those hose clamps. And just like that, we're all done. So new pipe in there. The hose comes with a new hose clamp up the top that kind of locks into position. The bottom one you have to supply your own, so I've just reused the one that was on the old hose because it was in good condition. So I hope you like this episode, guys. Quick, nice and easy, takes 5 minutes, good preventative maintenance if yours isn't leaking. Worth expecting it anyway. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next episode. Cheers.